This new year 2026, start the year with total peace of mind, knowing your home's hot water system is running safely and reliably. If you are in Gold Canyon, Arizona, our professional team is here to provide expert water heater services you can trust. From installation and replacement to maintenance and repair, we ensure your water heater runs efficiently, delivers steady hot water, and helps reduce energy costs. Our technicians use modern tools, proven expertise, and a customer-first approach to deliver clean, precise, and dependable service every time. If your water heater is leaking, aging, or just not keeping up, call us today at 480-547-9517. Start New Year 2026 with comfort, confidence, and guaranteed hot water for your home.